Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Zeus. On today's quick tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make a French seam. French seams are very useful when you're working with a lightweight fabric like organza, like tulle, like chiffon, okay, and where you do not have a serger or a weaving machine. French seam will save the day. Okay, so match up your fabric, right sides facing each other, and take out 0.25 from the total sewing allowance you left. If you left 1 inch or 2 inches sewing allowance, take out 0.25 and stitch down on the right sides of your fabric. That is your fabric facing the right sides. So after stitching it down, you can go ahead and trim out the excess from the seam allowance. Okay, so after taking out the excess, you can turn your fabric to the wrong side now, and then you can take out the remaining sewing allowance you left out from the beginning. If you left out 1.5 inches allowance, you've taken out 0.25, you should be having 1.25 left. So at this point, you can now stitch on the wrong side of your fabric, taking out the remaining sewing allowance left, and there you have your French seam. Okay, just in case you do not have a weaving machine and where you take your dresses to weave is quite far away from you, you can as well use a French seam. It leaves your seam neatly finished and none of your clients would complain. Alright, especially for organza, because you know organza has a way of poking the skin. So use a French seam and that settles it. Alright, thank you all for stopping by. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll be bringing you more quick, easy and short tutorials that would help you in your sewing journey. Thank you. To have a lovely day. Bye.